Hello everyone, I am Chahid Tandon and I am here to provide you a little bit clearer perspective of what all feels await you after you complete your engineering degree. Artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning are some of the most popular terms in the computer science world. But how do we get into these fields? What are the prerequisites? What all is preventing us from pursuing these career options? Let's have a look. Artificial intelligence made headlines recently when people started reporting that Alexa was laughing unexpectedly. Those news reports led to the usual jokes about computers taking over the world. But there is nothing funny about considering AI as a career field. Just the fact that 9 out of 10 Americans use AI services in one form or another every day proves that this is a viable career option. But how does one become an AI engineer? A bachelor's degree in computer science engineering or game development is required for a job as an AI programmer. As for machine learning engineering, they spend a lot of time learning the tool they will be using every day, and that's Python. Moreover, probability and statistics, data modeling and evaluation, applying machine learning algorithms and libraries are a huge part of it. The machines haven't taken over, not yet at least. However, they are seeping their way into our lives, affecting how we live, work, and entertain ourselves. From voice powered personal assistants like Siri and Alexa to more underlying and fundamental technologies such as behavioral algorithms, suggestive searches, and autonomously powered self driving vehicles, boosting powerful predictive capabilities, there are several examples and applications of artificial intelligence in use today. What many companies are calling AI today aren't necessarily so. As a software engineer, I can claim that a piece of software that has AI due to an algorithm that responds based on predefined multi-phased input of user behavior isn't necessarily artificial intelligence. A true artificially intelligent system is the one that can learn on its own. We are talking about neural networks from likes of Google's DeepMind, which can make connections and reach meanings without relying on predefined behavioral algorithms. Due to artificial intelligence, one can improve past iterations, getting smarter and more aware, allowing it to enhance its capabilities and its knowledge. Let's see what all it consists of. Machine learning, where predictive analytics and deep learning are a major part, text to speech, speech to text analysis, image recognition, machine vision, planning and optimization, expert systems, classification, translation, and of course, robotics. What are the roles of an AI engineer? Challenge of existing technologies and areas of application for AI technologies to understand business problems. Identifying and choosing the right AI or cognitive computing technologies to solve problems and formulate AI recipes for the development, as well as maintaining the underlying AI infrastructure by building, testing, and deploying AI models. Assemble the machine, configure it, and set it up for functioning. Let's have a look at difference between artificial intelligence and machine learning. Artificial intelligence is the ability to acquire and apply knowledge, whereas machine learning is the acquisition of knowledge or skill. The aim of artificial intelligence is to increase chance of success, whereas machine learning aims at increasing accuracy. Decision making is a part of AI, whereas learning new things from data comes under machine learning. Optimal solution is provided via artificial intelligence, whereas only one solution is obtained by machine learning, it may or may not be optimal. Artificial intelligence leads to intelligence, and machine learning leads to knowledge. So, this was all about AI technologies. Pratiksha will continue recording machine learning and deep learning. Stay tuned.
Hello viewers, this is me Pratiksha Bongale and I'll be continuing the video with the following topics. Let me now quickly take you through it. Do you aspire to become one of these engineers? If yes, then what does it take one to become an AI, ML, or a DL engineer? The prerequisites are the basics of computer science, programming and algorithms, probability and statistics, how to model the given data and evaluate it, and also how to apply machine learning algorithms and libraries. Let's first look at what machine learning is and what it does. It is a branch of artificial intelligence based on the idea that systems can learn from data, identify patterns, and make decisions with minimal human intervention. So, in order to learn from data, it has to be trained on a sample of the data, and this data is usually called the training data. And based on what it has learned from the training, it identifies patterns in the new data called the testing data and makes quite clever decisions, thereby making these machines reliable enough. These are the sectors that leverage the benefits of machine learning to prosper at an exponential rate, including email filtering, automotives, healthcare, agriculture, banking, and industries. Let's now know what deep learning exactly is. It runs on artificially built neural networks that are a close simulation of a human's neural architecture. Since its design resembles that of a human's brain, it demonstrates similar features exhibited by humans, such as realizing pedestrians on the road, recognizing boards while driving, and driving itself. Isn't it fascinating? I'm sure it really is. Now that we have had a brief discussion about what machine learning and deep learning are, let's try differentiating them now. Deep learning is a type of neural network algorithm that has a unique feature, that is, automatic feature extraction. It means that this algorithm automatically grasps the relevant features required for the solution of the problem, thereby reducing the burden on the programmer to select the features explicitly. So what roles do both types of engineers play on the ground? Here they are. Have a look at it and do think about becoming one such engineer if you want to. Hope you have liked our content. If yes, then please hit the like and subscribe button below the video and do share this video and spread awareness. Thank you.